Oh yeah, okay, Memgen Legion, it's time for another video. I'm gonna show you a quick secret weapon that I'm currently exploring and using in AI at the moment to build websites and apps and expand our project. So let's dive into it. Not a lot of people have been talking about this. There's a lot of talk about all the other LLM chat model sites and products as such, but one of the best ones I found is actually from Nvidia itself. And if you go onto build.nvidia.com, you come onto a marketplace as such. You can sign in with your Nvidia account if you've got an Nvidia account, likely if you have a graphics card, etc. And down the side here, you have many versions of AI agents or finely tuned AI builds. This is one of the best things about NVIDIA is you can actually just tune a model as such. They do offer the infrastructure to make it easier to fine tune and learn a specific model and train it for your own needs. And some of the already created options on here, we're going to just check out the most popular, are really actually amazingly good. It's very large as well. You can see the other industries coming into the AI space now and training models specific for their particular industry. And a prime example of this is some of the science or medical agents that they have created. This one here, for example, Evo2 is a biological foundation model that is able to integrate information over long genomic sequences. Now, it just goes to show that AI is accelerating so much now, and us guys that are builders, we're concentrating on how to use it um, in our particular way for building websites, etc. Review. I'm sorry, I've got to accept the third apology. Where other industries out there are really using AI to solve things that are really going to help humanity, in my opinion. The medical and science and mathematical output for physics, etc. Um, this is absolutely a tool that will change humanity, and it's one of the arguments for the good of AI, in my opinion, where I think personally the goods will outweigh the cons, the pros will outweigh the cons into the future. Um, so yeah, that's just one particular version. So if we go back and look, we can start to see other industries that are coming in now. And some of these models that are very useful because we have speech to text recognition, we have speech to text recognition and translation. We have distilled versions of DeepSeek R1 and Quen, DeepSeek, and a lot of these models can be run locally on your computer. So if you're looking for a local model to run, I would be probably looking at this website here to get your version because there are so many trained versions. Here we have a DeepSeek R1 distilled Quen 7 billion parameters now. I have a 360 RTX 360 laptop um, NVIDIA graphics card, and I could probably easily run the 7 billion model without too much problem. Um, and there'll be several models that will be in your ability to download and explore. Again here, powering latency bound memory and compute. So helping you, uh, solve latency-bound memory problems, um, retrieving text and metadata from images. So these are all tools that you can build AI agents with, if such. If you have an operator system, you would connect one of these as a tool or a agent that does a function. Um, Speech to text and text to video are two that I would be looking for in here, and there's so many models coming through now. Um, Industry leading jailbreak classification model for protection from adversarial attempts. This cybersecurity and stuff coming through. There's a Llama 3.1, Nemo Guard there, topic controls models, a conversation focused on approved topics, avoiding inappropriate content. So that would be something that you'd use in a chat model, um, possibly where you're wanting to moderate um, what people are saying while you're not there, or give your agent, your chat model agent, the ability to do that. And this has already been pre-trained, um, whether it's been pre-trained by Nvidia or somebody else. You know, it's here to use. There's a coder there, a 2.5. I haven't used this one. That would be very interesting to test some of the coders. You've got visual appearance here, so this is from cars and automated driving. Um, but you will find visual for your computer on here as well. Lots of stuff. Again, fine-tuned to detect charts, tables, and titles. Extremely handy in a research-based workflow agent, perhaps, or an analyzing of data. Maybe you want it to be part of keeping your books or invoices and data, and it analyzes and gives you charts. Audio to face, there's a good one. I mean, there's so many on here. It's quite astounding that you'll be hours and hours playing through a lot of this. This one here, for example, generative downscaling model for generating high resolution or regional scale weather fields. Pretty fascinating, man. Another one, global atmospheric dynamics and various weather climate variables. A deepfake image detector. That's probably a good, uh, maybe like personal security style if you're building an app that has facial recognition or something. 3D service, 360 HRDI. So we've got Shutterstock. This one's creating images. Look, more 3D structure of proteins from animation, more and more biological and medicine based. AI generated image detection for detection and managing AI generated content. One of the ones that I have installed into my operator system, if I can find it here now, is it's basically a finance-based one. When I do get some more time to work on Lola and her tools, which the other agents are the tools, I'm gonna work on this agent base to create it, give it some money, give it some access, and explore its ability to research and trade. Um, I will try find it. Again here, create AI agents, multiple pieces of information and data. And again, like I was saying, where Nvidia do provide the ability to train. This one here as well is something I've been looking at. Build a digital human, and I have been hearing very good stuff about the Nvidia text to voice and base, and using the video. Some people are saying it's the best on the market and very, very, very good. So you can make excellent videos. You can see this here if we go and put James on. I don't know if we can. We have to download it all. And people are using this to create amazing videos or business marketing videos, podcasts, etc. It tells you a little bit about the blueprint and the various um, NIMs used in this blueprint, how to download it. If you want to run it locally, I don't know, on this particular model, an 8 billion, you probably could on a 360 or something run this by the looks of it. Otherwise, it's API, and the way you collect all of these, I do believe you would go to the OpenAI Open Router, or use Open Router perhaps, because it's a custom, or if you do find the Nvidia API settings, I haven't seen any of them do Nvidia settings yet. You'd have to go through the custom route, like I said, and you just get your API key from Nvidia here, or download the blueprint and plug it in API wise and use the model. I probably will look at doing more on this particular one because it runs in line with Lola, what we're doing with Lola. At the moment, we have been doing some videos using HeyGen, um, and I've heard good stuff about HeyGen, but you know, this particular, if I can run this on my local network as well, it's not going to cost me as much money at all. So, and the quality I am hearing from people using it and the industry basis is this is actually the best model out there. Arguably, the text to speech 11 labs I am using, I do feel again this using Nvidia. There's so many text to speech. Um, you will find uh, better custom options with Nvidia where you can train a particular text to uh, text to speech agent to your desired needs, especially if you have a custom code base as big as we have for our operator agent Lola. If we get this up here now, we are still building, um, and we're somewhat 378 lines of code. And you could say, arguably, the first 300 lines are all um, mainly about resources, personality, um, and how she responds, voice and character-wise. So when you're going so deep, I mean, here we've even got a physical description. This would be good for a video-based agent. You're giving it a look and you're giving it parameters to define how this agent could look, and then with the body of something like this, you're giving it a character and a persona, even a intellectual level. You know, with here we've included you know what education. Presumably, we're telling it you're educated to this level, etc., etc. So this is again why Nvidia really is somewhere you should be checking out. Um, all the partners that they are doing. If you're more development-wise based and you're you know used to using API, this is probably a site that you're going to have hours and hours of fun testing with because you'll find it easy to connect up also. Those that are new, I mean, it is very new friendly, but I would watch some other videos on connecting API, maybe have a go at connecting models in Klein, in VS Code, etc., etc. And after that, come and try out the NVIDIA marketplace for AI agents. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Again, this is something we do to just help educate the community and help them build exciting and fun stuff. Wouldn't watch us build our stuff, but participate in a way. We are a decentralized community governance project, and who knows um, where the next developers and stuff come from in this project. I build tirelessly for the project. But in the future, things will progress, and who knows? So we could have started the next person that really helps build something for the Memgen ecosystem from watching these videos and going on the path to AI and coding. So please give it a thumbs up and give us a subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your weekend.